In this exercise I'm going to create this holder. It will look like this when it's finished, and we have the drawing here with the dimensions. So I will start a new scene, and I will begin by making this bottom plate. Drag an extrude shape, drop it here, and the size is 65 by 100. So I type 65, and then here's 100, and the thickness is 15, like so. And then I will create this part, the cylinder. So I will drag a cylinder, drop it here on the midpoint, and the diameter is 40, and I think this one is already 40, yes, and the thickness is 23, like so. And then I will add this part here, this cylinder, drag another cylinder, drop it on the center point. That one is has a diameter of 30, so I will type 30, and the thickness is 5. Then I select this one in teleshape level, select it first, and then shift select the other. We have to move it a bit. And I select the big one first, because when I add or activate tribal, the tribal will be placed at the center of the first one. So we see that the position of this part here is 63 from the bottom to the top, and it's 35 from this edge to the center here. So I have to move the tribal, unlock it, right click the center handle to center point of this one, like so. Then right click this handle and choose edit distance from the bottom. That's 63. Then I select that axis and right click, select 2 point, this one, the edge. Now I can change the distance here by dragging this axis or the handle and then let it go and type 35. So now it is in the right position, like so. Then I will add this part here. I will use block. I will use extrude shape, and I will drag an extrude shape and drop it here on the midpoint. Grab this handle, snap it to this side, and the thickness is the difference between radius 15 and radius 28, and that's 13. So we'll select this handle, type 13, and the height, we have 12 here, and then we have the radius, so 12 plus 15, that's 27. Then I will add another extrude shape, drop it here on the top, and I will grab that handle, snap it to that side, the same thickness, the blue handle, 13. Make sure that this one is 40, because the cylinder is 40, and we see that it will have the same width as the diameter. So that means I have to right click and drag and snap it to the side here of this cylinder so that it will have the same distance as the diameter. So I have to do the same with this one. Right click and drag, snap it to the side here. So now I will select this part here, right click, and choose to center point of this cylinder, like so. Then I will add this one, grab an extrude shape, drop it here, and the thickness is 13, as I will right click, hold and push and type 13, and I will snap to this side here and to the top, and this one will go to this side, like so. Now I will add some fillets. First this one, 15. So I select the part, press S on the keyboard, choose blend edges, select this edge here. That one will be 15, so I will type 15 and hit enter. And then I will select this one and type 28. Let's see now, 28. And do the same here. Select it. Then I hit enter. So it will look like this. So now I will add a blend here as well. We see that this blend will stop here at this level on this edge. So if I now select blend here, select this edge, and that blend has a radius of 95. So I will type 95 and hit enter. So we see that this blend or fillet will affect the bottom plate, but I don't want that. I want it to stop here at this edge here. So how will I fix that? Well, if we come over to the scene browser, we see that this is the block, the bottom plate. If I now drag the block to the bottom, the fillet will not affect the bottom plate. So this is how I want it. And then I will add these cylinders. I will drag a cylinder, drop it here. The diameter is 20, thickness is 3, and it's 14 from the sides. So this one is 40 right now, but I will type 20, hit enter. Thickness is 3. Then I will use the tribal to get the right distance from the sides. Edit distance from this side is 14. Then I will select this axis, right click. Edit distance from this side is also 14. And then I will copy this one. I need 3 more. So I will move the tribal to the midpoint of this edge. Then lock the tribal, right click. I think I have to move the camera a bit. Right click, mirror and link. Then I will select that one, turn on the tribal and move the tribal to midpoint of this edge. Lock the tribal, right click, mirror and link. So now we have 4 of them. Then I will also cut a hole in the center. Use cut cylinder, and the diameter is 10. So we'll select that handle, type 10, and it will go through the part. Then I turn on the tribal and right click the center handle, and here I will choose create multiple copies or links, and I will use this option using cursor. So now I can select the midpoint and it will cut holes like so. Then I turn off the tribal. I will also cut a hole here, so I will use a cut cylinder, drop it here, and the diameter is 20. Let's see now. I select that one, and it will go through the part, or this part here, like so. And then I will add some blends. Select the part, press S on the keyboard, select blend edges, and I will begin with these edges here. And 95 is too big, so but here I will type 7 and hit enter. Choose that one as well, that one, and this one. Hit enter, and I will continue to add blends. Sometimes you have when you add blends, you have to take it step by step, or you can also use smooth connected. If I think I will add a blend of 5 millimeters on this edge here. So I will type 5. If I now use smooth connected and select this edge, we see that it will add a blend here, but I don't want that. So sometimes you have to uncheck smooth connected. It will be easier to select the edges you want to add a blend. So, and I will also select this one. Now I will hit enter, and we see there this fillet or blend should be 7. So I select the part, press S. Here I type 7, select this edge and that one. Do the same here. Hit enter. And then I continue by adding blend. I'll select the part first, choose blend. Now I will use 3 millimeters. And now I will select this one here, see how it works. Perhaps I can use smooth connected here, and that works. Do the same here. And I will also use 3 here and here. And on this side and here. Then I hit enter. And I think I will use 2 millimeters here. So I will select the part again, use blend 2 millimeters, select this edge and this one, hit enter again. Now we need some blend here around these cylinders. Select blend, select this edge here. Sometimes it might not work like this one. So let's see now. Yes, it worked. Like so, and this one as well. And we need a couple of blends here as well. Like so. Then I hit enter. So I think I have add blend where it should be. So this is how you can create this type of holder just by using drag and drop method. So I hope you have found it interesting to see this tutorial.